Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion from March 21st through April 2nd. From March 21st to 25th, we have a split flow here across North America. And we have a trough over the Eastern Pacific, you see here. And a ridge forecast over West Central Canada. And we have a trough here in the east. Miles of good agreement with this. There's a look here. Pacific energy will split as it enters the west, sending a piece of energy towards Alaska and another piece into the southern stream. This will cause snow and high elevation rains across the southern and central Rockies late in the week. Increase in moisture ahead of the system will cause showers and thunderstorms across the southern and central plains by Friday. And I want to take a look at this. This is current map. These are the areas here in this southern central plains that are experiencing major flooding. We have the Mississippi River, Arkansas City. We have here Mississippi River at Natchez, Mississippi. And we also have, I'm just taking random ones, Arlington, Iowa. We'll take another one here. This is Wisconsin. And this is coupled with deep snow cover with heavy rain on top of that and the ground, saturated ground, that's causing all this activity. Okay, back to the forecast. And then there will be heavy rain from the southern plains to the Mississippi Valley through the weekend. March 24th to 28th. A split flow is forecast. Remains in place with the eastern progression of the flow. We have the eastern Pacific trough that moves slightly inland, with the western ridge moves into the Midwest, and the eastern trough slides into the western Atlantic. You can see it here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, this is the best I can find, do with these maps, above normal temperatures of forecast here. This might be a little bit too high, so for now I'm forecasting anomalies at 6 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures of forecast here. Again, this might be overdone. So for now I'm calling for anomalies at 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the West Coast states. And much of this region here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to look at the period for March 29th to April 2nd. A split flow is forecast to remain. You can see it across here, across western Canada. And we have a trough is forecast near the west coast. You can see it here. And we have weak positive height anomalies across much of the nation. You see it right here. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting near to above normal temperatures across much of the country. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western U.S., probability of occurrence is 35%, and then I have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion from March 21st to April 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.